Big Ben in the United Kingdom.
英国的大本钟。
Long ago in England, people built a tall clock tower in London.
很久以前，在英国，人们在伦敦建造了一座高高的钟塔。
Long ago in England, people built a tall clock tower in London. The tower stood beside a great river called the Thames.
这座钟塔矗立在一条名叫泰晤士河的大河旁。
The tower stood beside a great river called the Thames. Inside the tower was a huge clock and a very large bell.
钟塔里有一座巨大的时钟，还有一口很大的钟。
Inside the tower was a huge clock and a very large bell. The bell was named Big Ben.
这口钟被取名为大笨钟。
The bell was named Big Ben. Every hour, Big Ben rang loud and clear.
每到整点，大笨钟就会敲响，声音清楚又响亮。
Every hour, Big Ben rang loud and clear. People in the city listened and knew the time.
城市里的人一听到钟声，就知道时间到了。
People in the city listened and knew the time. The clock helped everyone arrive on time.
这座时钟帮助大家准时生活。
The clock helped everyone arrive on time. Workers took great care to keep the clock running correctly.
工人们非常用心，确保时钟准确运作。
Workers took great care to keep the clock running correctly. Even in cold winters and rainy days, the clock kept ticking.
即使在寒冷的冬天和下雨的日子，时钟仍然不停走动。
Even in cold winters and rainy days, the clock kept ticking. Long ago, people set their watches by Big Ben's sound.
很久以前，人们会听着大笨钟来对表。
Long ago, people set their watches by Big Ben's sound. At night, the clock face glowed softly in the dark.
夜晚时，钟面在黑暗中温柔地发光。
At night, the clock face glowed softly in the dark. Travelers from around the world came to see the famous clock.
来自世界各地的旅人都来看这座有名的时钟。
Travelers from around the world came to see the famous clock. Big Ben became a symbol of London.
大笨钟成了伦敦的象征。
Big Ben became a symbol of London. It watched over the city day and night.
它日夜守护着这座城市。
It watched over the city day and night. When Big Ben rang, people felt calm and safe.
当大笨钟响起时，人们感到安心又平静。
When Big Ben rang, people felt calm and safe. The clock reminded everyone that time is precious.
这座时钟提醒大家，时间非常珍贵。
The clock reminded everyone that time is precious. It taught people to be patient and steady.
它教会人们要有耐心，要稳定。
It taught people to be patient and steady. Even when the world changed, Big Ben kept its rhythm.
即使世界改变，大笨钟仍保持自己的节奏。
Even when the world changed, Big Ben kept its rhythm. The sound of the bell connected the past and the present.
钟声连结了过去与现在。
The sound of the bell connected the past and the present. And Big Ben continues to tell time with quiet strength.
而大笨钟用安静而坚定的力量继续报时。
And Big Ben continues to tell time with quiet strength.